Hey drawing buddies, welcome back to my channel Color Book. Guess what we are drawing for school today? A super cute school bag. Let's draw it together. First, draw the main bag shape using straight lines and soft curves. Every school bag needs a handle, right? So let's draw a cute handle at top. Now, what keeps the bag safely on our shoulders? The strap. Keep them nice and even. Now let's move to the bottom part of our bag. In the center, draw a large front pocket. Add a smaller pocket shape. Then draw a little closure strap on it. Now comes one of my favorite parts. Let's give our school bag a cute little friend. Draw a teddy bear face. Oh, look at that cute teddy bear. Let's make our bag even more special. Here we are drawing a little ice cream and a pretty bow. You can add your own favorite designs too. Now let's finish the front pocket with a zipper. Our bag is all shaped up now. Let's color it. Use green to color the top border of the bag. Color the upper main section with yellow. Now take your pink color and fill in the bag straps. Use pink color for ice cream and bow designs. Let's color the zipper pink. Color the large front pocket with sky blue. Sky blue color for the smaller pocket border. Color the small front pocket with orange. Let's make our teddy bear cute and bright by coloring its face and ears orange. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. School bag handle with red color. And here's our finished school bag. Cute, colorful and ready for school. Bye-bye.